In this video, we'll walk through the trading journal and show how to log a trade, what to input, and how to read the results. We start by adding a new trade. Let's fill in the required fields. Set the open date and time, then the close date and time. Choose the asset symbol and asset type, for example, crypto. Select the side, long or short, and enter your entry price. Next, enter the exit price. If you used a stop loss or take profit, add those as well for analytics. Then input the trade quantity. If your market uses a multiplier or point value, set it here. You can also tag the trade with a strategy name for later analysis. Open the fees settings if you want to include commissions or execution costs. This ensures all P&L and risk metrics are calculated net of fees. Use the notes section to capture context, execution details, or emotions. When everything is filled in, click Add Trade to save it to the journal. Once a trade is added, the latest trade analysis appears automatically. At the top, you'll see realized P&L, your take profit and stop loss targets, and the planned risk to reward. These values are based on your actual entry, exit, size, and fees. Below that, performance versus targets shows how far price traveled toward take profit and stop loss. You also get realized R, which compares the outcome to your planned risk. Scrolling down, filters let you narrow results by symbol, side, strategy, or date range. This updates all statistics and charts instantly. In the performance statistics section, the overview shows total trades, net P&L, win rate, and profit factor. P&L metrics break this down further into average win, average loss, best trade, worst trade. Then we can also see gross wins and gross losses and expectancy. Notional exposure is also displayed to help you track average position size. Below, the cumulative P&L chart shows how your equity evolves trade by trade. The win and loss distribution gives a quick visual of outcome balance. Below, trade behavior metrics summarize how long positions are typically held. You can see average hold time and compare winners versus losers when available. Symbol and strategy analysis sections aggregate performance by market and by setup. This helps identify which instruments and strategies contribute most to results. The P&L heatmap shows performance over time. You can switch between weeks, months, or other time views, and click any cell to inspect trades. At the bottom, the trade history table lists every recorded trade. Here you can review entries, exits, stops, targets, fees, duration, realized P&L, and expected risk reward. Trades can be edited, deleted, or exported for external analysis. That's the trading journal workflow. Log trades consistently, include fees, and use the analytics to understand performance, risk, and execution quality over time.